The question is state two differences between heat capacity and specific heat capacity. So heat capacity is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of a given amount of substance by 1 degree Celsius. Now, which means that if I have water, let's say 5 gram water, then if I want to increase the temperature from 4 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, then the amount of heat required to do so is heat capacity. But specific heat capacity, the word specific means for a unit mass. So the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of one unit mass, usually we can say 1 gram or 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Again, if I want to increase water's 1 gram from 5 degrees Celsius to let's say 6 degrees Celsius, then the amount of heat energy required is specific heat capacity. Okay. Now, heat capacity depends on the mass of the substance. A larger mass will have a larger heat capacity. So I can say heat capacity is directly proportional to mass. Whereas specific heat capacity is defined only for unit mass. So I can say it is independent of the amount of substance. Okay, it is a characteristic property of material itself. Second question is give a mathematical relation between heat capacity and specific heat capacity. Now, the relation between heat capacity that is capital C and specific heat capacity that is small c is C equals mc, where capital C is heat capacity and small c is specific heat capacity. Because specific heat capacity is nothing but heat capacity divided by mass, because we are talking about 1 gram in case of specific heat capacity always. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.